Welcome to your beginner's guide to investing in stocks in Nigeria. If you have been thinking about growing your wealth and diving into the exciting world of the Nigeria stock market, you are in the right place. Today, we will walk you through the simple steps to get started, the benefits of investing, and tips to avoid common mistakes. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about what stocks are. When you buy a stock, you are purchasing a small piece of ownership in a company listed on the Nigeria Exchange Group or NGOs. Think of companies like Dangote Cement, MTN Nigeria, or Zenith Bank. As these companies grow, your investment can grow too through capital appreciation or dividends. But like any investment, there are risks. So let's learn how to do this wisely. Step 1. Do your research. Before you invest, you need to understand the Nigeria stock market. The Nigeria stock market is the art of stock trading in Nigeria, where over 160 companies are listed. Check out resources like Nairametrics, ProShare, or the NGS website for market news, stock prices, and company performance. Knowledge is power. So study the sectors: banking, telecom, consumer goods, and pick companies with strong growth potential. For example, in 2023, the Nigeria Stock Exchange market gained 45.9%, with some stocks like Bua Foods appreciating by 197%. That's the kind of opportunity you can tap into with the right strategy. Find a trusted stockbroker. This is the first step. In Nigeria, you can only trade stock through a licensed stockbroker registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and the NGS. Popular firms include Cardinal Stone Securities, Meristem, or Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers. You can also use apps like Bamboo, Trove, or Nemo to invest for a seamless digital experience. Links are in the description box. When choosing a broker, consider their fees, ease of access, and reputation. Some apps let you start with as little as 1,000 naira, making it super beginner friendly. Open your trading account. You need to provide some documents like a valid ID, like national ID, driver's license, NIN or passport, proof of address, like a utility bill and a passport photo. You also register with the Central Securities Clearing System or CSCS, which tracks your stock ownership. Your broker will guide you through this, and it usually takes less than 8 hours. Once your account is set up, you will get a unique clearing house number or CHN, which you will use for all your trades. Fund your account. Transfer money to your broker's bank account or use their online platform. Apps like Nemo, Bamboo made this super easy with instant deposits through your debit card. You can start small. Some platforms let you invest with just 1,000 naira or $20 for international stock. Once your account is funded, you are ready to buy your first stock. Place your order through your broker's app or by contacting them directly. Most platforms let you trade in real time so you can seize market opportunities quickly. Build a smart strategy. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different sectors. Think banking, telecom, or consumer goods to reduce risk. Don't chase hot stocks based on hype. Focus on companies with strong fundamentals like consistent profits or growth potential. And always stay updated on Nigeria's economic and political climate, as this can affect stock prices. For example, factors like inflation or currency fluctuations can impact returns, so keep an eye on trusted sources like Nairametrics or Bloomberg. Finally, avoid common pitfalls. Don't put all your money in one stock. Diversify. Avoid emotional trading based on fear or greed, and don't expect quick riches. Investing is a long term game, so be patient and keep learning. With apps like Nemo, Trove, or I Invest, you can invest in US stocks like Amazon or Tesla alongside Nigeria companies, all from your phone. Imagine turning 20,000 naira into something much bigger over time. That is it. You are now ready to start your stock investing journey in Nigeria. Research, pick a trusted broker, open an account, fund it, and invest wisely. Link to the broker that I'm using in the description box. The stock market is a powerful tool to grow your wealth, and with the right approach, you can make your money work harder for you. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth in Nigeria. Let's grow together.